Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Maps and finding the exact spot you want to share. Type an address, business name, or long press to drop a pin. This creates a marker. Once done, verify the marker placement and zoom so the recipient sees the same context. Make sure you're signed into Google if you want a saved listing link. If the place has multiple results, tap the correct one to load the place card before moving to the next step. With the place card open, look for Share. On desktop, click the hamburger menu, then Share or Embed Map. Once you tap Share, Google generates a link representing that exact view and marker. Choose Copy Link to place it on your clipboard, or select an app like Messages, Email, or Slack to send it directly. Make sure the link preview matches what you intended. If not, adjust zoom or pin and regenerate the link for accuracy before sending. Finally, paste the copied link into your message or email and send it. Once sent, test on another device or ask the recipient to confirm it opens the correct map view. If the link shows a wrong location or default zoom, go back, reposition the pin and set the desired zoom level, then copy a fresh link. If sharing fails, confirm internet connection and that maps. Google.com isn't blocked. Switching browsers or updating the app often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.